guys, it's me, UlaniBrown here, and today in this video I'm doing a What I Got for Christmas 2017 video. Yeah, dab on them. So first I'm going to start with my stocking because that's what every other YouTuber does. Just kidding. But it's what you start with. For me, I start with my stocking on Christmas morning. So that's what I'm going to do with my haul. So the first thing I got is, I got Ghirardelli chocolate peppermint bark minis. These were gone Christmas Day. So we do stockings at my grandparents' house and at our house. But like our house we did an early Christmas because my sister goes to her other family's house during Christmas. So, okay, wait, let me start over. And then I got tissues because I'm a sick child and I need them. And then, what's this? I got razors because if you are a female, you know hairy legs and hairy armpits stink. Get it? Armpits stink. Anywho, these go so fast. Oh, and then I got candy, and I got colorful hair ties, but I only grabbed a few of them, so yeah. And then I got a Starbucks gift card, which I basically already used it all, so don't hate on me, please. And then I got this cool thingamabobbers. It's called a flosser. And then it has like a pick. And then I got this pick thingy. It like comes with it. So it's like, and you can like clean your teeth. And oh my gosh, wait, this is my first time with braces on my main channel. So I got braces. I've had them for like a month and a half. So, yeah, and I'm super excited, and they're not actually as painful as everyone was saying. And then I got this cucumber mint Burt's Bees chapstick. Okay, and now I'm going to go on to what my kitty got. Her name is Blee. Go follow her on Instagram at BleeBee7. So BleeBee7. So I got Blee this catnip ball thingy, but Santa got her the same one. So that's already open. And then Santa got Blee 2 cat foods. One is the Blue Healthy Gourmet chicken entree, and then she got a tuna one, which she's already eaten. Then she got Purely Fancy Feast natural hand flake salmon treats. And guys, they're like little pouches, and it's like actual wet salmon pieces, which is kind of nasty. But then Santa got her these toys because she got them 2 years ago and she was obsessed with them. Now I have no clue where they are. So Santa got her more of these. And then Santa got this one. It's a litter genie. It's like a diaper genie. I don't know. Ask your parents if they know what this is. But it's for cats. It's pretty cool. So the first thing my sister got me is she got me this green little paper, and it says, "Remember what you wanted that was purple? Is it raining? I love you more than a princess loves a prince." And so she got me, where is it? She got me this Purple Rain Prince t-shirt. And if you guys don't know who Prince is, he's amazing. And I don't really listen to his music that much, but my mom is obsessed with him. And he died recently, so that's really sad. She was really sad about it. I don't remember if she was crying, but I'm pretty sure she was crying. And yeah, so now whenever I wear this, I'll just feel like my mom. And then Santa got these super fuzzy socks, and they're from Costco. And my sister got a gray pair, and they're so soft on the inside, and they're thick. And then every year Santa gets us calendars. I'm pretty sure I used to get like princess ones. And then I started getting cat calendars. And then I started getting black cat calendars. So now I get a black cat calendar every year. So this year I got this one. And it's Black Cats 2018. And it's super cute because it's just a bunch of black cats. And it's adorable. And then my parents got me these totem pants because these are cute and these are amazing. Focus on me. So now I'm going to move on to what my cousins Stephanie and Taylor got me. So, they got me this Brandy Melville coat, and it's corduroy, and it's like Amelia or something like that jacket, and it's like super thick, and like I'd wear this if it's snowing. John Galt, okay, and it's fur on the inside, but it's not like white, it's like tan, and then it's like cotton down material inside the sleeves, but it's super cute, super soft. And then at school I did a Secret Santa with my health class, which is basically all the freshman girls, and I got Ferrero Rochers, but those were kind of gone the day I got them. And then for my aunt, I got these Prismacolor colored pencils, and if you don't know what these are like super nice colored pencils, and they're like super smooth and rich color. They're basically like really good art pencils. And then from my grandma and my grandpa, they got me this Japanese ink painting, The Art of Sumi. I don't know how to say that word, but it's basically like an art basics kit on Japanese art. And then, haha, what else did they get me? They got me this super cute thing, and I had no clue what it was, and it's basically a Japanese art kit. And then they also got me a PacSun gift, a $25 PacSun gift card. And with that, I bought the Mum Blue Mom jeans from PacSun, which I'll insert a picture, hopefully right here. And because they were 50% off, they used to be buy one get one free, but then now they're 50% off. And I almost did the buy one get one free deal. And now I'm happy I did it. So yeah. And my grandparents also got me, my other grandparents also got me some moolah. Oh shoot. And then my other grandparents, okay, let me back up. So my mom has like godparents, which are the ones that got me these, and the ones that got me this. And then my dad's parents got me this really cute brown purse, and I was gonna look for it because I already lost it. Good job, UlaniB, but I forgot to look for it. And then my mom's like actual parents got me some money, so yeah. And then with my family, we do like a Secret Santa thing for the kids. So my cousin got me, obviously, so he got me this big canvas, this little canvas, this like 4-pack canvas thing, this 3-pack canvas thing, and I want to try the Japanese art kit on this one, like horizontal paintings. And then he got me the super cute long sleeve shirt from Ross. So thank you guys so much for watching. That's what I got for Christmas video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to comment down below your favorite gift you got this Christmas, because I want to know, because honestly I'm kind of getting bored of binge watching what I got for Christmas videos, but at the same time I'm like can't stop watching them, but I still want to know what you guys got. Also comment down below what you did during Christmas, and if you don't celebrate Christmas, hope you had a good day, hope you have a good day. Happy Hanukkah, happy Kwanzaa, happy whatever other things there are, because I'm an uneducated child and I don't know everything. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you can. Make sure to comment down below what I just said, and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. And also, I'm very sorry, I've been doing so bad about uploading, but it's so hard with school and time management and sports, like soccer, I could kind of post some things, but basketball, guys, you guys are going to be like, Ulani, this is high school, like this is the kind of commitment, but it's so hard with sports and YouTube and homework, because basketball is literally every day, and then I feel like I have something that's going on every weekend that's out of my control. Like some people's like, oh yeah, I planned something with my friends, but like some things are like family stuff that like it's out of control. So I'm gonna try to upload more, but still subscribe, because when I do upload, it's gonna be good. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Love you. Bye. Wee.
Small town, too hot.